Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that a lot of action took place on Friday. That's why I warned you guys that be careful because this market is not going to be an easy one, and as expected, there was crazy amount of volatility in the US session. You can see gold rises further after PCE. Gold rose to around 4250 per ounce on Friday. The highest since late October, as the delayed September PCE largely met expectations. So overall, the data was good. As a result, market went upside. But you can see that after hitting 4260 or 4259, market I won't say market started going down. Market fell. It fell like a rock. And you can see market again come to 4200. We have seen in the last few days that 4200 is acting like a magnet. Whether market is going down, market is going up, it doesn't matter. Ultimately, it settles around 4200, and as long as market will remain in and around 4200, this confusion regarding the trend of the market shall continue. So let's wait and watch where are the trading opportunities for Monday. This is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and you can see that we do not have much changes. Earlier also we have discussed about the daily candles, that in the last few days gold has only shown us dojis and spinning tops mostly, and dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market, and we can see that the indecision is still there. We do not have any such patterns or something like that where we can believe the market will be going up, technically at least. And we need to wait and watch. So let's get back to a 15-minute chart now. One thing I would like to show you today, because yesterday in our video, I mentioned one thing, that personally I believe that we have a possibility of going down, and what was the reason. So this is the option chain here, and if you look at these numbers, right now gold is trading around 4200. If you look at the immediate support, you can see around 4200 we have how many contracts? 1100 contracts, not contracts. If you look at the lower number, like 4100, you can see we have 1600 contracts. So 1600 and 1100. So if market starts falling, then we have 1100 and 1600 contracts lying around 4200 and 4100. Keep in mind that we trade in a spot market and there's a data from the futures market, but still, they run parallel. So we have seen earlier also, it works like magic. So but if we look at the other side, if you look at the other side, you can see 4400, how many contracts? 6381 contracts. If we look at the number 4300, we have how many contracts? We have 4000 contracts. If we look at 4500, you can see again we have 6000 contracts. So if market starts falling, the number of contracts are very less that I'm trying to show here. On one side we have around 1100 contracts and 1600 contracts. But on the other side we have 6000 plus contracts. So obviously if market starts going up, the players sitting at the top are more stronger and they are bigger in number. So this is the main reason I told you guys that the chances of market going up is less, because these players, these guys will not allow the market to go up that easily unless a big news comes out. So in this month of December, the possibility of gold crossing 4400 to 4500 is very less. So if you are expecting that gold will be going for an all-time high, as of now without any news, chances are very less because we have big number of contracts. But on the flip side or other side, if market drops, then we do not have any major contracts that will be able to hold the market. So resistance is stronger in comparison to the support. My difference, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading platform, you can consider opening your account with Vantage. Especially if you are a resident of India se ho and you want a good platform, safe platform, then Vantage is the perfect solution for you because they are the best in the market right now. They have more than 5 million registered users. You have more than 1000 plus products to trade, and safety wise also they are top notch. They are multi-regulated broker with the member of the financial commission. They also provide insurance to traders up to $1 million. So if you're trading with big capital, then also you don't need to worry. They have their own mobile platform for trading. They also have trading view. I have shown you guys, okay, they also have trading view from where you can trade directly, so you can analyze the market and also trade at the same time. So feel free to open your account with Vantage. The link will be in the description. If you open your account under our referral, you can also get access to our WhatsApp group as well. Now let's talk about the trading opportunities for Monday. As we all know, okay, as long as gold is trading around 4200, okay, we are going to struggle because there will be no clarity regarding the direction of the market. So if market drops from here, my dear friends, okay, if market breaks, let's say if market breaks 4190 after the market opening, if you are planning to trade at the opening hours, okay, you can look for a sell position, especially if you see the selling pressure is high, market is going down with a big red candle, then you can look for a sell below 4190 or 4190. Okay, do not expect much because in the, okay, right at the market opening, okay, it is not very good to trade, but still if you have experience you can try. How much you can expect? You can expect around 50 pips. Okay, why so less? Because market opening is critical, and moreover at 4185, okay, at 4185, this dotted line here, you can see we have a support also. So if market breaks 4190 after the market opening with volume, you can look for a sell. But if you see the market is going down, not much volume in the market, gold is behaving like a normal Monday market, then you can also look for a support around 4185 as well. So they are near to each other, so do not expect big profits. But if you see that the selling is high, the high selling is going on, then yes, you can continue with the sell position. For example, if you see the market is standing at 4185 with a big red candle, what do you think? What we should do? Obviously, you should continue with the sell, isn't it? That you can do. If volume is low, then you can expect 4185 to work as support or provide support the market. Okay. And remember the logical support. Yes, the logical support is still the same, 4170, 4165. Okay, this level is still valid in the market. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position around 417065. What is the reason? Earlier, this is the level from where market has taken support and bounce. To be honest, I don't feel that right at the market opening, market khulते, I don't think that market will be going below 4170. Okay, it will provide support. I think we should get a good bounce. If not a trend reversal, at least we can expect a bounce of 100 to 150 pips. Later on, okay, later on, if market breaks 4164, we can look for a sell below it. But initially, I personally feel that yes, we have a chance of buying around 417065. So if market starts going down, we can look for a sell below 4190. Okay, if the selling pressure is high, you can continue with a sell position. But if you see the market is behaving like a normal Monday market, means low volume, then we can exit around 85, because around 85 we have a minor, not a major support. Okay, it is a minor support. If you want to buy, you can go for a buy of again 40 to 50 pips. But the main support is around 70-65. If market takes support, if market shows price rejection from below, we can look for a buy, and we can look for a sell below 64 area as well. Okay, that will come later, but as of now it's not important. And yesterday, okay, goal again proof that, remember this 60-65 level, 426065, yes, 426065 did the job. Okay, it showed that it is a big resistance, and in this situation, okay, I don't think so that, okay, market will be able to break 426065 on Monday. So in simple words, you can say this black line or the 426065 is the resistance for the Monday market right now. Okay, and if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, to be personally, I feel that, okay, we should give some time to the market. Okay, I will not recommend any selling opportunity if market goes up. Okay, let's see, okay, in which direction the market goes. If market shows big recovery, that's a different story. But recovery chances are not high right now. Okay. And if market goes up also, okay, the selling pressure may remain. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, I will not suggest you anything right now. You can see we have some selling opportunity around 4210, 4218, 4219. Okay, but I would like to observe the market opening, then only I think we should go for a sell. But if you want to go for a sell around the FIBO levels around 4210, 421819, it's up to you. But do not expect big um, TPs like 100 pips, 150 pips. You need to be careful at the market opening. So let's see how does the market open. Let's catch up on Monday again. Okay, I'll be uploading my video. Okay, on Monday again. I'll be coming on Monday. Now let's see. Okay, how does the market open? And have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.